Hey everybody, Dr. Sergey. Today we get a special treat. In a second I'm going to drive over to Dr. Justin's office. He's my chiropractor, one of the two offices that I go to, and we'll get, you guys will get a chance to see how he's going to be treating me. So let's get going. So here we are, we're at Dr. Justin McCormick's clinic. It's called Planet Chiropractic, and if you ever want to do spinal decompression, he has 2 units. Our office doesn't, but his does, so if you ever need it, you guys can come on over and let's take a closer look. Let's go right in, alright? Let's get Justin here. Right. With Dr. Justin. Oh, yeah.
So, are we looking at the same things we did last time?
Yeah, absolutely.
Are we doing any better here?
Oh yeah, that's definitely better.
We still gonna be able to take a look at it today?
Go for it. You want to do a side posture again? On that
Yeah,
one?
that way works best for you?
Yeah.
You bet.
Yeah, absolutely. And speaking of which, this is Dr. Justin, everybody. Amazing hands.
Just gonna fix up this broken back doctor here. How we doing?
Doing good.
No problem?
No problem.
Okay, good. All right, let's get started. Let's drop that left arm. Drop the left arm. Breathe in my hand. Here we go. Drop it down. Elbows drop. Elbows drop. That was a great one today, huh?
Oh yeah.
All right, here we go, bud. T1. Drop that. That was much better. Good.
Oh, nice.
Right here. All right, brother. Here we go. Keep that wrist. I got you.
Oh yes.
I need one more. There you go. Are you okay on that second one?
Oh yeah, good.
This way. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. You okay with me on that one?
Yeah, that was good.
Let's go flat on your back. Shoulders rest. Shoulders rest. Dropping in my hand. In my hand. I don't think I got enough of that, did I?
No, I actually moved all the way.
All right, here we go.
No, I'm talking about when
Oh, I got it. I got it. On the axial.
Yeah, right there. You're right on it.
Got it.
Oh yes, that's what I was looking for.
This way. Perfect. All right, let's clean up that atlas. That's what I really want. Oh yeah, it's perfect. That's gonna fall.
Oh. Nice.
Shoulders.
Yeah, absolutely. Never been adjusted after a full week of work. Highly recommend it.
Yeah, that looks better. That's perfect. All right, here we go, bud. Chest up, up. That a boy. Chest up. That a boy. Good work, man.
Awesome.
Check that one more time. Turn right,
Yeah.
touch my hand, left touch my hand. Push, push here. There you go.
Love it. Awesome. Doc, say hi to the camera for me. Say a couple nice things about your office.
Hello to the camera. It's Justin McCormick, Mill Creek. Neck and back problems. Us chiropractors, we take care of you.
Yeah, you got the decompression table here too, right?
Yep, got the decompression
You
table.
got 2 of them.
2 decompression tables.
Awesome. And how long you been here? What, 15, 16?
15, so 16 years. Yeah,
16 years
we
already.
figured that out last time.
Yeah, plus 4, so 20 years of
Yeah,
experience.
20 years.
With an absolutely lovely office. If you guys need a decompression table, or check out Dr. Justin here.
Herniated disc, neck. We'll help
Back,
you out.
arms, legs.
Arms. All right, good.
All right, thanks, Doc.
See you.